Now, we've had negotiations for a free trade agreement with Britain. It was to be delivered by Diwali. It hasn't. Are you confident now of it moving quicker? What are the kind of holdups that you are there, and by when do you think we should have this agreement in?
A free trade deal delivers growth and jobs in both our countries. There's an enormous gain for both countries if we can manage to do it. Negotiations are always tough. We've actually got through the majority of the negotiations already. I always think of it like a long climb up a mountain. We've been along the valley, we've walked up the valley, we've now got up to the base camp, and now we have to do the short and steep ascent. That's tough. It requires trust on both sides, but I think we've garnered that. We've actually got through the majority of the negotiations already, and now we're set up for the final ascent. So I think there will be a push, and the two prime ministers, when they spoke last week, almost immediately after Rishi Sunak became prime minister, and they agreed this is one of the main aims for the next few months.
Which are the areas that are still sticky points?
I think any free trade deal comes down to balance. UK will want some access to the goods market of India. India is a country of high tariffs, not surprisingly, because its stage of development is different from the UK. UK has very low tariffs. We'll want more access to the Indian market for high-quality UK products, which I think would benefit Indian consumers. India would also like access to some bits more of the UK market, and would like the temporary mobility of workers between the two countries. There's a big flow of people between India and the UK. So it'll come down to that. It's a bit around security of investment, where some British companies in the past, I should say, actually not under this government, have found difficulty where the government's taken retrospective tax and things like that, so we need to have some security around that. These are tough issues. The question is there the political will there? And I think listening to Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Rishi Sunak last week, I felt there was that will there to try and do the short, steep ascent.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.